Welcome to our channel Trading Strategies. We are going to start new series on technical analysis in which we will be going to explore the world of technical analysis and how it can be used to make more informed trading decisions. If you are new to the world of trading or simply looking to improve your trading strategies, then you won't want to miss this. We will be covering everything from basic technical indicators to more advanced strategies, giving you the tools you need to take your trading to the next level. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn all about technical analysis. Before going into the course outline, please subscribe our channel and also hit the notification icon to get notifications for new videos for this course. This course will cover following topics. Number 1. Introduction to Technical Analysis. This section will provide you an overview of technical analysis and its role in financial markets. Number 2. Charting Techniques. This section will cover various charting techniques such as line charts, bar charts, and candlestick charts, and how to interpret them. We will discuss all in details in the upcoming videos, so subscribe our channel to stay up to date. Number 3. Technical indicators. This section will cover various technical indicators such as moving averages, relative strength index RSI, and Bollinger Bands, and how to use them to identify trends and trading opportunities. We will discuss all in details in upcoming videos. Number 4. Pattern recognition. This section will cover different chart patterns such as head and shoulders, double tops and bottoms, and triangles, and how to use them to predict future price movements. We will discuss all in details in upcoming videos, so subscribe our channel to stay up to date. Number 5. Trading Strategies. This section will cover various trading strategies based on technical analysis such as trend following, momentum, and mean reversion strategies. We will discuss all in details in upcoming videos. Number 6. Risk Management. This section will cover risk management techniques such as stop loss orders, position sizing, and risk reward ratios, and how to incorporate them into a technical analysis trading plan. Number 6. Trading Psychology. This will cover the importance of trading psychology and how to develop a disciplined and consistent approach to trading based on technical analysis. Overall, this course can be valuable for individuals who are interested in trading financial markets and want to learn how to use technical tools to make informed trading decisions.